you want to connect two laptop displays wirelessly, then those laptops needs to be in same network, and then go to settings in the client PC, then go to system, search for project to this PC, go into that option, then optional features, then view features, then see available features, and then search for wireless display and install that wireless display. It will take some time to get fully installed, and after it is installed, then go to your host PC from where you want to present your screen to, and then press Windows K and select your screen, and then your host screen will be presented to your client, and you can use the same mouse to move around and drag and drop the screens from one screen to another. And if you want to change the orientation of the screens, then go to settings again in the host PC, then system, then display, and in the display you can change the orientation of your displays so that your mouse moves correctly from one screen to another, and that's how you can project your one screen to another screen wirelessly.